Welcome to Demo Video 2 of the Timeinator. This video will introduce you to the demo dashboard and teach you the basic functionality of the Timeinator. Begin by logging into your Timeinator account. Choose the same sign-in method that you used at sign up, either email or your Google account, and log in to your Timeinator dashboard. Notice on the dashboard that there are locked and unlocked icons. The locked icons are only available to premium package subscribers. The unlocked icons are available in the basic membership. Explore the basic Timeinator membership with a simple, preloaded demo restaurant. Remember, the demo equipment and menu can be quickly and easily edited to your equipment and menu. Touch the Cooking Screen tab. Cooking screens are graphical representations of equipment, as it is laid out in your restaurant. The Timeinator comes with 6 cook station examples for you to experiment with our functionality. Later videos introduce customizing this demo equipment and the layout of the cook stations to match your restaurant. Touch Demo Cook Station 3. Click on the Save icon. Click OK. Cooking Station 3 is a graphical representation of a cooking area that has a char grill and 2 single basket fryers. The char grill is set up with 6 timers and each fryer has 2 timers for each basket. Envision the top of the char grill with timers for 6 menu items cooking. The fryers, in this example, have extra timers allowed for each basket. This is an example of a setup that allows for stacked basket cooking. Touch the screen. Only the menu items that belong with the equipment shown on this cooking screen are listed. Touch mozzarella sticks. The menu list goes away, and the cooking screen is now showing you the equipment that you have set up as the proper equipment to cook mozzarella sticks. For example, you can't time mozzarella sticks on the char grill or seafood fryer. Touch the screen and add a variety of menu items to be timed. The different items are programmed to beep and give cooking instructions at various intervals. Touch the item to make the beeping stop. Touching the timer is the employee's way of responding that they are present and completing the task. The speed in which an employee follows your instructions is measured so you can judge an employee's work performance. When you have finished playing with this demo screen, click the Reset button and clear any remaining timers from the cooking station screen. After you have reset the screen, touch the Add Time button. You may add time to a zone manually after completing the timing cycle, if the product is not quite finished. Explore the Add Time feature on your own. Click Reset after you have finished exploring the feature. Remember, you can't use Light or Well Done for an item in the middle of a timing. The Light Done and Well Done feature must be chosen after choosing a menu item, but before activating the timer to start. Touch the menu and choose Fries. Touch the Well Done button and then select a fryer location to start the timer. The fries have the added time you have set up for well done fries. Reset the item when you are finished. Create simple or professional tutorial videos for your employees and store them in the cloud or on a free, private YouTube channel. Click the burger on your menu items list. The green tutorial button lights up if a video link is present. Click the tutorial button. We have inserted a random how to make a great burger video. We haven't tested the recipe, but it looks delicious. Close YouTube and return to the Cook Station 3 screen. To view additional cook stations on the same tablet, click the plus button, and select the Add Cook Station icon in the middle. Touch on Cook Station 5. Click the Save icon. Touch and hold your tablet screen and slide your finger along the screen from the right to left. The newly added Cook Station 5 slides smoothly into your on-screen view. BlueStacks users can left-click and hold your mouse pointer on the right side of the screen and slide the mouse from right to left across the BlueStacks screen. Touch the screen to see your menu items. The menu list for this cook station differs from the earlier list in this video. The current menu list is only for the equipment now in view on screen. Touch the top of the menu list to close it. Click the plus icon. choose Cook Station 6. Click the Save icon. Click the plus icon again. Touch the Remove icon. Remove Cook Station 1 and Cook Station 3. Click OK. The remaining Cook Station 6 is an example of ways you can use the timer for tasks other than cooking. Open the menu items list. Use the Timeinator to track holding times for the health department, or proofing times with checkpoints, for yeast doughs. Hot and cold food holding cabinet and buffet times tracked on the Timeinator is organized, and can supply reminders to check the condition of food and chemicals throughout the life of the items. Click the back icon to return to the dashboard. There are several other unlocked dashboard tabs available to you in the basic Timeinator plan. Click the Video Help and Tutorial tab. The full video setup library is available to you from inside the dashboard. This library has additional, detailed videos for the setup and use of Timeinator's premium features. Click the back arrow. Touch the Support tab. The Timeinator Support tab organizes any communications that you may have with our technical and financial support departments. Click the Add Question button. Categorize your question and leave us a description of your issue. Send us a Have a Nice Day note to check it out. Click Submit. Click OK. When you are satisfied that you have had your problem resolved, click the Resolve button, and your issue will move from the Open Questions tab to the Closed Questions tab. Click Back. Choose the Theming and Styling tab. The Timeinator colors may be customized to colors that better match your corporate image. Click the Setting icon. Replace the default background image on the dashboard with an image saved on your device. Touch the theme color. Enter a specific color code or create a color from our palette. Custom colors are added to your palette for use throughout the Timeinator software. After you are pleased with your selected color swatches, click the Update button. The default theme button will return you to the Timeinator's original color scheme. Click Back. This concludes the instructions for the Timeinator's basic functionality. If you are interested in learning how to begin editing the demo equipment, the demo menu and the demo cook stations, the next group of videos focuses on this type of customization. Please continue to video 3, which instructs you on how to customize the equipment list.